Hi there, in this video you'll learn how to apply Gadgetshieldz skin on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. To begin with the installation, you'll need a hair dryer, so go grab one. Depending on your order, the elements of your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus skins should arrive like this. Clean your device free of dust, fingerprints or any visible stain using the microfiber cloth provided. Let's start with the full back skin installation. For camera skins, jump to 4 minutes and 17 seconds. For flat back skin, jump to 5 minutes and 16 seconds. For side frame skins, jump to 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Gently remove the skin from the 3M sheet and reattach as shown. For a perfect fit, align the skin along with the USB-C port, speaker holes and SIM tray as shown here. Aligning your skin incorrectly will affect the entire application. If you notice such errors in alignment, gently remove the skin without stretching it and try again till it's perfectly aligned. If you notice any bulge around the bottom flap, remove the skin and reattach until there is no bulge. Apply heat till the bottom edge of the skin softens and then apply firm pressure to secure the skin in place. To ensure the skin is stuck down firmly, heat until the skin softens and then rub using the microfiber cloth. Now, let's move on to the back. Remove the 3M sheet and fold it horizontally and reattach as shown. For a perfect fit, align the skin with the camera base and camera flash as shown here. If you notice such errors in alignment, gently remove the skin and try again till it's perfectly aligned with the camera base and camera flash. Once aligned, remove the folded 3M sheet and apply pressure evenly to secure the skin in place. For the top edge, align the skin with cutout for the mic as shown here. You may face an application error like this. Heat the skin and apply firm pressure to secure the skin in place. To ensure the skin is stuck down firmly, heat until the skin softens and then rub using the microfiber cloth. Now, let's move to the sides. Align the skin with the power button and the volume button for a perfect fit, as shown here. Heat the side flap and rub with your fingers to secure the skin in place. Repeat the same on the other side. To ensure the skin is stuck down firmly, apply heat again and then rub using the microfiber cloth. Repeat the previous 2 steps for the other side. Let's start the application procedure for corners. Apply heat to the corners and then peel and fold the corner flap gently and rub around the edges with fingers. Heat the corner and rub around the edges with a microfiber cloth. To get a seamless installation, make sure the corner flap meets corner edges as shown. Now, heat the exposed flap and apply the skin bit by bit towards the corner edge. Be extra cautious as you may face application errors as shown here. If you notice such errors in the alignment, peel back the flap gently. Now, apply heat and pressure bit by bit. Once aligned correctly, heat the skin again and rub with microfiber to secure the skin in place. Next, align the top corner exposed flaps in a way that the edges meet each other as shown here. Apply heat on the top corner exposed flaps and then apply pressure bit by bit till both the edges meet. Repeat the same process for the remaining corners. Next up is the camera and camera base skins. Clean the area free of dust, fingerprints or any visible stain using the microfiber cloth. Gently remove the camera base skin from the 3M sheet and reattach as shown. Align the skin with the camera array as shown. Once aligned, remove the 3M sheet and apply firm pressure to secure the skin in place. If you notice such errors in the alignment, remove the skin with the help of 3M sheet and try again. Now, gently remove the camera lens skins from the 3M sheet and reattach as shown. Once aligned with the lens, Apply firm pressure to secure the skin in place. Repeat the same for the rest of the camera lenses. If applied correctly, your full back skin along with the camera and camera base skins should look like this. Now, let's move on to the flat back skin. Clean the surface free of dust, fingerprints and any visible stains using the microfiber cloth. Remove the skin from the 3M sheet and reattach as shown. For a perfect fit, align the skin with the camera base and camera flash as shown. Once aligned correctly, apply firm pressure to secure the skin in place. Now, rotate the phone, remove the 3M sheet and apply firm pressure evenly. Turn the phone back and apply pressure firmly and evenly to secure the skin in place. Apply heat on the edge and apply firm pressure evenly to secure the skin in place. To ensure it is stuck down firmly, apply heat and then rub using microfiber cloth. Repeat the same for all the sides. Now, let's move on to the side frame skin. Note that it comes with two pieces, top and bottom. Let's begin with the bottom frame piece. Gently remove the skin from the 3M sheet and align the left part of the skin precisely with the USB-C port, SIM tray and speaker holes as shown here. Apply heat and realign the skin and then apply firm pressure. Once aligned, wrap the skin bit by bit ensuring the skin remains aligned with the frame of your phone as shown here. Apply heat on the bottom corner and apply firm pressure. Now, apply heat on the top corner flap and apply pressure bit by bit till it's aligned with the corner edge. Now, let's apply the top frame piece. Gently remove the skin from the 3M sheet and align it with the power button and volume button as shown here. Once aligned, wrap the skin bit by bit ensuring the skin remains aligned with the frame of your phone. Make sure the corner edge meets the other edge and align the cutout for mic as shown. If you notice any application error like this, remove the skin and try again till it's aligned. Apply heat on the bottom corner flap and apply pressure bit by bit till it meets the other edge. Apply heat on the corner and rub using microfiber cloth. Repeat the same for remaining corners. We need one final step to completely smooth down all the edges. This will blend in the skin with your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Cover your nail with a microfiber cloth and rub around all the edges as shown. Once all elements are applied, your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus skins should look like this. And finally, we are done. Check out more exciting skins for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus on Gadgetshieldz.com. For new launches and upcoming videos, subscribe to our social media channels.